Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from LeetCode website. And the name of this problem is Managers with at least 5 direct reports. And today is our day 67 of 100 days of SQL challenge, where I will be solving one SQL question each day. And I hope you guys are also solving one SQL question with me to practice SQL. And we are doing SQL 50 series where we are only doing medium level problems. So let us read this problem and try to solve this. So I have this employee table where I have 4 columns, that is ID, name, department, manager ID, right? ID and manager ID is of the data type integer, and this name and department is of the data type varchar. ID is the primary key column with unique values for this table. This means that the ID column values will be only unique values and it cannot contain null value as well. Each row of this table indicates the name of an employee, their department, and the ID of their manager, right? So here in the input table as well, so each row what it indicates the ID, name, department, and manager. So for example, this person, that is John, he is working in department A and his manager ID is null, so this means that he don't have any manager. Now for example, let's say for James, he is working in the same department, that is A, and his manager ID is 101, that is basically this person, that is John. So James is reporting to John, right? Now if manager ID is null, then the employee does not have a manager. No employee will be the manager of themselves, right? Now what we need to do is we need to write a solution to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. So basically we need to find out the manager to whom there are at least 5 people who are reporting to that manager. Return the result table in any order, so we don't have to do order by. Now understand from this input table, here this John does not have any manager, right? This Dan is reporting to John, this James is also reporting to John, Amy is also reporting to John, and Annie and Ron is also reporting to John. So there are 5 people who are reporting to John. So that's why I want in the output the John name, right? And they have said that at least 5 direct reports. So means minimum of 5 and maximum it can be anything, right? Because they have said that at least 5 people should report to the manager. All right, so let's try to solve this. So what logic I can use, that if I can find out that how many person are reporting to the manager, and if that, and then I can filter on the basis of the count greater than or equal to 5, right? So let's do that first. So what I can say, that from this employee table, I can retrieve this manager ID and count, right? And what I have to do is I need to use group by, because I am doing aggregation and the remaining column which is not a part of your aggregation, you have to use that in group by. All right, now this query will return me the number of people who are reporting to a certain manager, right? So here in the output what I am getting, that this 101, that is manager, 5 people are reporting to that manager. Okay, so let me use that if the count is greater than or equal to 5. Why I am saying greater than equal to 5? Because they have said at least 5 direct reports. So let's say, and now I need to filter this table, right? And I have to use, I am using this column to filter. So whenever you are using the aggregated column to filter, you have to use having clause. So having this, and let me give alias as direct reports, let's say. So direct reports, right? And now I can say having count of this should be greater than or equals to 5, right? And now if I run, I will get only this record. Okay, so now as you can see, I get this record. Now I get the manager ID, but I want to show his name. So his name is John. So how I can get this name? I can store this table as a virtual table in CTE and join this table with this employee table, right? And get the name. All right, so let's do it. So let me say that with direct CT, as you can name alias it any name you want, but for now let's say this, right? And what I can say that select from, and by, let me write in capital letters. So select from this employee table as, let's say, E. I want to do inner join. So basically this, now what condition I should use to do the inner join? So I can say that this manager ID should be equals to this ID, so that I can get the corresponding name. If I do that, this manager ID should be equals to this manager ID, then this 101 will join with this, and this, and then I will get all the names that I don't want. So that's why I am doing that. This manager ID should be equals to the ID, right? So I can say inner join this direct CT, this direct CT as, let's say, D, on which condition? That on this manager ID that I am getting from D table. So D dot manager ID should be equals to this ID, and that is from E table, that is employee table. So E dot ID. All right, and now I need the name, and name I am getting from E table. So E dot name, right? And now let me just run this query. Yeah, so it gets accepted. And now let me just quickly submit this code as well. And guys, if you're liking my videos, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment as well if you don't understand anything. And please solve one SQL question each day so that you can be really good in SQL. And again, thank you so much for watching this video.